All right, well, hello. This is our. I'm Josh, and this is my partner. Just say your
Alexander,
insert
yeah.
name here. We'll say your name.
Insert name here, Alexander, yes.
Alexander. Yeah, and we created. This is our build your own world game. So here's
Yeah.
the menu. So we'll enter a seed here. And cool. So we have a little zoom mechanic where you can zoom out and see the whole world. I'll turn on the lights. Um, and yeah, so that's one of our mechanics. And then another is you have to see this ring is a like your interactivity ring. So if you go next to an enemy that moves around, you can kill it. But it costs 50 energy. So uh,
Yes, that is also a feature. We also have implemented energy stamina. Yes. It's in the top left-hand corner, and it's that number, what is it, 898?
yeah,
And as you move around, yeah, you use up energy, and depending on what tile you move on, like sand, water, floor, like mountain, you use up energy. And if you'll notice, the tile placements are not random. They're kind of generated according to Perlin noise, which is kind of a way of generating a height map. And yeah, as you'll notice that, like for example, the mountains are not right next to the oceans. They're kind of like there's like a bit of like sand or like floor in beneath. Like they're kind of clumped up. So if you would consider like the oceans are lower and the mountains are higher, so you typically won't get giant mountains that are right next to oceans. There's usually some buffer space in between.
yes. And then here are three objectives. Wait. Okay, three objectives. So each objective is lit up on the map. And normally in the game you wouldn't be able to use the light, but just for showing purposes. So it's 61B themed. So the three objectives are watch your lectures, go to office hours, and organize notes. And once you do that, all three, you go up to them, and then you zoom in. You press P, and you get some energy, and you have to complete all the tasks. And once you do that, you win the game. So I'm getting A in the class, so we'll show that here. I'm gonna lose. Oh yeah, and these enemies sort of they move randomly, but they also kind of get a heuristic of where the player is, so they'll eventually kind of move closer to me if you see that. Yeah. Last one. And then you can kill the enemies, but I don't know if I said this. It takes away your energy. So the objective, I guess, is not to run out. If you run out of energy, you die. So, yeah. And then, like Alexander said, when you move on to different tiles, there's different amounts of energy being taken out. So now
So
we'll,
you have to be strategic.
yeah. So the last objective, and we won. We got an A in 61B.
Wow.
Nice. So I guess I'll show one where we lose. Anything else you want to explain, Alexander? Maybe.
Yes. So if you run out of energy, you basically, yeah, you lose. Or if you touch an enemy, you also lose.
Oh yeah.
So if the stamina thing, yeah, gets to zero, or if you touch an enemy, then it's game over.
So let's try a stamina loss.
So yeah, just walk on the mountains. Oh, there's so many.
We're dying. See the enemies trying to run over here. Ah. Okay. Uh, uh. Game over. So yeah, so that's our game. Uh, Again, I'm Josh, and this is Alexander.
Mm-hmm.
And thank you for your time.
Yeah.